It's the middle of April, and I haven't been watering these tea plants regularly enough, and they've gotten real dried out. So I'm going to cut them all the way back, prune them all the way back, and kind of start all over again with them. I do believe they will come back quickly and vigorously. That's about as radical a trimming as I've ever given any plants, and I think this pruning will actually help them a lot. I'm not even going to keep any cuttings. It's been 4 months now, and tea plants responded really well to that radical pruning. So I would definitely not be afraid to prune your Cordyline tea plants all the way back. And it's easy to make wood stem cuttings, and you can see my video from the link in the description below how I grew woody stem cuttings. And I believe every one of the stems grew back. None of them died. So do not be afraid to give these plants a really thorough pruning to give them a nice bushy look. And of course it does depend on what you want to do with this plant. If you want them to grow tall and provide you with a privacy hedge kind of thing, then you need to let them grow. And here's an example of what I'm talking about. These are some of my tea plants that are growing really tall. And of course they've become entwined with my alamanda plants. But as you can see, they provide a nice privacy block. And here's the view from the other side. And the tea plants are acting sort of like a trellis for both the alamanda plants and for the coral vine plants. Now, I really love coral vine plants, and the flowers are really spectacular, but you do have to be aware that they are really aggressive plants, and so you must grow them accordingly. And if you are interested from growing them from seeds, please check out the video that I made previously, and you can find that link in the description below. Please support my channel by ticking that like button, leaving a comment, and of course subscribing. Happy gardening, everyone! Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!